Good morning everyone, welcome back to Let's Play Happy Factorio. This is episode 27 and there are two things. First, I actually need to build a lot more roboports because right now everything is a horrible mess and I need like 10 more roboports or so to unmess this place. Where are some lamps? And the second thing is actually like took some time to figure out how to turn Happy Factorio into a proper mod. No, put it here. And the answer is, it is really difficult. So, what I expected is that the textures are going to be listed as... okay, so I can just make a mod and put a bunch of textures in it, that's the easy part. And it's going to show in a modding menu and so on, that's the easy part, there's no problem there. And then the next step is of course to tell the game what the hell just happened here. Where is the good stuff? Oh, the good stuff is not connected. Okay, I forgot I didn't finish connecting this factory because I wanted to build the robots. Okay, roboports. For roboports, I need what is this? Basic beacon. Okay, I never actually built beacons. I guess that would be good for oil because that basically increase the amount of oil, not just like make it faster. Okay, let's get some gears and stuff. Oh yes, so I thought it's either going to understand when I change the directories. Which would be the nicest, logistics robots, yeah, fine. Or if it doesn't understand that, it's going to have some kind of a JSON-like thing. Let's get some more. So I can just basically use a regular expressions to tell it to use my paths from my mod instead of paths from vanilla game. That would be super easy, right? Unfortunately, it turns out roboports. Oh my god, this is so slow. So unfortunately, it turns out that it uses Lua, and okay, that I understand that it uses Lua, and I thought it's going to use Lua the same way, like for example, Crusader King uses Lua, which is basically as a Lua format static data, so as JSON. Sadly, it turns out not to be the case. So what Factorio does is Factorio runs a lot of code to set up all the paths and so on. So basically, I need to create this mod. I have two choices. I can do it manually, like basically in a really painful manual way, and I am not very fond of doing things manually when I don't have to. Okay, ugh. It's really okay, there's no good place to put it. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Or the second, so that's the way the YTech high definition textures mod does it. This was the first thing I basically checked because they do something closest to what I do. Closest to what I want, except they use high definition textures instead of using high saturation textures, but the idea is similar. Just change the textures without changing the gameplay. Okay, I'm going to try to use fewer roboports and add a bunch of big poles because poles are much cheaper than roboports. So it turns out what they're doing is ridiculously overcomplicated, and it's definitely done manually. Like there's no way they have an automated way to do it. And I am not very fond of doing things manually because I will have to test things manually and retest them every new version of Factorio, which is pretty horrible. So what I have to do is one more roboport. So what I basically have to do is get some library for some civilized language like Ruby that interacts with Lua. So I'm going to pretend I'm a Factorio game. I'm going to run all the base data in my embedded Lua engine as if I was a base game. And then I'm going to find all the file paths in the created data. Yes, it's a hash table called data, or dictionary, or whatever they call it in the world. And I will have to... and after that's done, I will have to change it and create an updated version and save the difference between the original version and updated version as a Lua file. So it's going to be a very complicated and I would say unreasonably complicated way to do that. Okay, please do that. Alright, so hopefully I have bots in my network now. Should all be connected, hopefully. Is it not? Where are the bots? That was my plan, to connect all the bots. Okay, some bots are coming. They're coming very slowly. Do you not have... okay, there's some chests here. They have energy. Yes, they have energy. It uses a lot of... Yeah, I disassembled the entire roboport network because we were using too much energy. But it's not actually that much energy. It was the problem was that it had highest priority. And I think roboports have highest priority because some people are going to use roboports. Oh, are they just charging very slowly? Okay, I'm just going to put a second one so you can charge faster. So, I think the problem is that a lot of people probably... Are you trying to disassemble this? Okay, this looks like a mistake. Let's not do that. So if somebody uses robots to transfer the call or something, in such case, prioritizing roboports very highly means that they're going to have energy and the thing is going to keep running. In my case, it's the opposite because I don't use it. I use miners and so on for everything. And so prioritizing roboports basically screws me horribly. Okay, can I put it here? No. Okay, let's put it here. And get, I have no big electric poles. Let's get some. They're super cheap. Big electric poles are super cheap. Okay, so what I was planning to do before the entire destruction is I was planning to build a lot of accumulators as a safety feature in case something horrible happens. They're not, yeah, they're not for like day-night cycle. They are just for just as a safety precaution. I don't think I have enough stuff for actually build a accumulator grid that big. Oh, sadly this stuff disappears, so I cannot actually like plant the grid and then build accumulators later. I have to have accumulators running already. Okay, they don't say anything about stuff being missing. Basic accumulator, yeah, put it here. Oh, actually I have tons of basic accumulators and I have tons of medium electric poles and there's more down there. So this might actually work. Okay, so if this works it's going to be really nice because it's going to solve my problem here. I guess I could put a bunch of lamps as well in... Yeah, maybe there should be a lamp here as well. Oh well. Let's see how they're going to do. Yeah, let's put a storage chest. Where are the storage chests? Storage chest, no. A storage chest. Build a bunch. Hello, kitty. Okay, yeah. Inevitably, a cat just came. So I'm going to give it a try. But that might take forever. Like, legitimately might take forever. Do I have enough alien packs for all the stuff I'm trying to do? Okay, let's just try to rush it. Okay. Okay, things seem to be going well. Yeah, the energy use is pretty high. Accumulator capacity is max. Well, there are very few accumulators right now. The problem is that accumulator capacity uses those strange units like megajoules, and this uses megawatts. And fuel also uses megajoules, so it's really difficult to like convert all those units to some single base. For example, like how many megajoules do you need of accumulator capacity to make sure your base doesn't die if there's a problem with energy supply? So to give you like a good safety network, like good safety margin, like how much do you need? Okay, so this is nice. They seem to be like not producing enough, strangely. Like this isn't saturated. Maybe I should like get a bunch more. Yeah, let's get a bunch more, like 4 in every line of them. Not like crazy much more, but a bit more. Come on, robots. I don't want any of that. Okay, here and here. And here, and some electric poles. Come on, game. Alright, let's get this over with manually. And 2 more. And a belt. That might actually saturate the entire thing. I don't know, maybe not. It's not a huge difference. I guess I could add a few here as well, since this is like the shortest line. Okay, research this. I'm probably going to finish researching everything quite soon. Oh, I accidentally told them to remove this one. Please don't. I don't think there's any way to cancel removal order. Or if there is, I'd like to know it. Okay, so... To be honest, like, I'm not entirely sure, like, clearing the entire forest... Kitty kitty, don't touch the keyboard. Cats deciding that keyboards are pillows is one of the annoying things about cats. It's kind of understandable. Like, if you're cat-sized, keyboard looks like a pretty decent pillow. Okay, let's get this. Alright, so, okay, there's not enough accumulators. Oh, I have more in my storage. Wait, why am I getting them? I don't want them. Okay, get some more accumulators. Is it connected to accumulator production? It's also a possibility that I just don't have enough robots, because, like, for a while, my orders for robots were extremely non-ambitious, and now I'm just, like, ordering robots to do everything. Okay, what's the bottleneck? Okay, so I have too much light oil here, a bit of extra heavy oil, and very little crude. Okay, so refining capacity is very high, but the crude input is not. So that's the... Is it connected? Okay, it's just maxed out. And it doesn't have any output buffer. Alright, so... Okay, so. More accumulators. 95. Where are accumulators being made? Accumulators are being made here. And there's lots of them. Oh, this is steel chest. Oh, okay, that's the mistake. Now it should be fine. Wait, this is part of the network. So, in the network, there are 200 accumulators. Okay, it's just going down. So I'm not sure why they're being confused. Okay, let's take a look at robot frames. Okay, there's lots of robot frames, so let's make a bunch of those. Yeah, maybe I should just, like, split it by half and do both of them. Well, actually, no, I have to route red ICs there, and I kind of don't want to. Okay, so I'm just going to do it manually. Wait, why am I getting green ICs? I shouldn't be doing green ICs manually. Yeah, do whatever. No particular ratio. It's probably half and half, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's finish everything. Why this is not finished? Okay, so this is actually finished, except it doesn't have enough green ICs. So what about this one? Okay, so this one isn't actually finished, so this one is not connected. So I finished in a really strange moment that one of them was done and the other one wasn't. I don't remember how big of an emergency it was that I had to do it this strange way. Okay, let's do it this way. Oops! Give me! That's horrible. Okay, and here. Alright, so ICs are coming this way, ICs are coming this way. Plastic is coming, wire is coming. Okay, so everything seems to be connected in input and an output. Right, so good. That part is good. Let's get rid of the robots. Yeah. 500 objects missing construction robots. Hopefully it's just going to go to get better. Alright, so I would say that everything is going quite well. The next step would probably be yeah, whatever. Just research whatever. So the few next steps we could do, we could expand oil production. like, for example, from here. That sounds mighty miserable. Wait, this is massive oil patches here and here. Okay, so I'm going to do something fun. I'm going to do something really fun. Not something that's going to be very effective, but I'm going... Okay, so, yeah, well. So first I'm going to clear this this bunch of nasties. I should like build a wall anyway, just to like keep the nasties out and just show which parts of the walls are my base. But okay, so I'm going to clear those nasties. And have a... and get oil from this place and this place, but in a different way. I'm not going to use pipes. I'm going to try a different way to get oil. What the hell? No, map. Yeah, map. Alright, so what are we going to do? I need a lot of electric poles and laser turrets and big electric poles. Okay, I have that. I don't terribly need robots. Let's get rid of the robots. Robots, yeah, go there. Does it tell me the total number of robots? 92 robots, but what is it, 92? Is it 92 logistics robots in the logistics network? Anyway, okay, so here's my plan. I want to get a bunch of barrels. I don't know, 1,000 barrels, let's say. How fast is it going to make 1,000 barrels? Probably pretty fast. 1,000 seconds. Yeah, I'm just walking right now, so that's fine. Do I have an overflow chest for steel anywhere? I don't think I do, but maybe. Oh wait, I see that there's a lot of random track left over here, which I should remove. Okay, is it in robot range? It's not in robot range. Okay, so I'm just going to remove it manually. It's going to be faster than trying to set up next new robot parts. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a single bit of iron ore left on the ground. Okay, I'll just ignore this. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay. Oh, I can't actually take it. Oh, I have too many barrels. Oh, and I'm shitting barrels on the ground. Fuck you, game. Just fuck you, seriously. Fuck you. Why the stack of barrels is not the same size as the stack of everything else? I hate this mechanic when I shit stuff on the ground, basically. Like, why? So stack of barrels is just 10. It's empty fucking barrels. Come on, game. Ugh. Okay, let's get this here. Yeah, so much for my plan of actually doing it manually. Alright, so let's get rid of this. And there's some bunch of... okay, I'm just going to... Okay, I'm just going to get this. Right. Okay, let's do this. I guess I could just like... I could get... yeah, let's do this. It's a fairly silly one because it's going to run out of coal before it actually processes all of that, but whatever. I don't think I'm going to actually need that much. I might. Who knows? I mean, that much. It's definitely going to run out of coal. Well, the coal supply is very low. Okay. Alright. Let's take the barrels. I can't take the barrels. Fuck's sake. Okay, let's put the barrels in the ground. All of them. I'm going to come for them later. Or let's even... Okay, I'm just going to do something else. I'm going to put ad hoc assembler here. Make barrels. And I'm going to get them by robots or something later. It's kind of annoying. It is really kind of annoying. I just thought I'm going to be able to just keep all the barrels in my inventory, like 100 barrels per stack. Anyway, why is this here? Is it connected to anything? Don't think so. No, it's not. Okay. Let's get rid of this crap. Right, so I could start here even. Okay, so here's the idea. There's going to be a double line as part of my main bus. The thing is that my main bus doesn't actually have much space for double line. It definitely doesn't have any space for double line anywhere. I guess I could. Yeah, I cannot put 2 more lines. I want 2 more lines. It's not like 1 line. It has to be 2 lines. Can I? No. I guess I could. Can I even put something? Okay, so could I like underground here? Okay, it's not. Oh wait, I can underground this way. Okay, so I could actually have a double line here. And that actually might work. This is a really fun. This is going to be really fun, but it might work. Except of course, first I actually have to clear all the bugs. Well, I don't have to clear all the bugs, but like my aesthetic sense tells me that I should. Okay, so here's the plan. I need how many pump jacks? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 pump jacks. So let's make some. I can't because I don't have any steel because I got rid of all the steel. Okay, let's make all the pump jacks manually. Oh, I have a steel overflow chest. That's actually super nice. Let's double it. It's actually kind of useful. Pump jacks. So I have, what else? 21 does need. I need 2 more, 3 more, 2 more. Okay. Steel plate. Let's get some steel. 2 and 1 more. Okay, I have enough pump jacks for now. I need a bunch of storage tanks, a bunch of assemblers. Okay, I have assemblers here. Good, everything is good. Okay, so let's take a look at the coal situation because it seems to be pretty bad. And let's get some lamps. Okay, so what's up with coal? Okay, this just ran out, this ran out. Okay, so a lot of them just ran out of coal. It's gonna be like relatively easily fixed by adding another line here. So you can mine this way. Yeah, so the entire episode is just planning what I'm going to do next episode, basically. So let's get a few miners here. And let's connect them like that. And this is over. And let's get another one here, let's say. No, that's the other way. Okay. And actually, let's finish this coal patch. The entire coal field we could just get rid of. 1 more miner, and I think it's always going to be covered or something close to all. No, this one needs to be covered. Might be all, I don't know. Once a bunch of them run out of coal, I'm just going to come back here and fix it. Where's the next coal patch in this area? This is really tiny. This one is also pretty small. I think there was a big one up there. This one is pretty big, but it's like on the really wrong side of everything. I guess I could like switch to oil only for everything and switch to electric furnaces. I should have electric furnaces already. Okay, electric furnaces, steel plate, advanced circus, stone brick. It might make some sense to build a bunch of those. Okay, so here's the plan. I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to connect both of them. Oh, and there's a small one here, maybe later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a double belt. One belt is going to be crude oil, and the other belt is going to be empty barrels back. So that's the plan. So it's going to be based on belt-based oil transfer. So, but that's going to happen in the next episode. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.